Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Egate i9 Pro Max LED projector. Okay, so yeah, this is what you have on the box. We are going to open it and see what we find inside. So there you go, these are the components of this box. First up, we have a user manual for this projector where you will find all the information, relevant information required to operate this particular project. We have a bunch of cables. This is the power cable that you use to connect this projector to a power supply. This is a aux-in to audio-video output cable, and this is a cable bundle that has all kinds of audio-video in and out as well. Finally, there is a remote control. This is the remote control that you use to control this particular projector. However, this does not come with a battery. These run on 2 AAA batteries. This particular box does not come with 2 AAA batteries. Now let's take a look at the project itself. There you go. Closer look. This has a silver color to it. There's a nice metallic sheen to it as well. Okay, these are the control button, the power button, directional button, and also the mode button as well. What else do we have? There are speakers over here. This is the speaker over here as well. And that's it. The speaker at the back as well. A lot of ports on this side. You have a 3.5mm port, an AV port, HDMI, and a VGA port, PCRVG port. And on this side you have an HDMI 2 port and a USB-A port as well, along with the power port right over here. This is the projector lens. This is the projector lens cover. This is the projector lens. It's a massive convex lens, and these are the dials that you use to basically control the focus and the focal length of this particular lens when you have to control it manually. This is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Egate i9 Pro Max LED projector. Thank you for watching.